Hey, thanks for tuning in. If your reverse camera on your vehicle is cloudy or needs replaced, this video should help you. So basically, on a Chevy 2500HD, you need to remove the plate. It's held in by a bunch of these T15 screws. You may have T10s or T20s, I don't know. Mine were T15. Down inside here, I haven't taken the old camera out yet, but it's held in with these T20s. So basically, once you get those screws out, you can remove the camera. But before you get too far ahead of yourself, to get this wire down through, you need to go underneath the back of the truck. And when you unplug the old one, you're going to have to release the mechanism and push down. You'll get that out of there. Tie some rope on the end of this. That way when you pull it through, you have something to pull the new one back through and back down in. If you don't, you're going to be having a lot of fun trying to fish that through. So anyways, that's pretty much all you got to do these reverse cameras. Anyone with T10s, 15s, or 20 wrenches, can do this, and this should help a lot of people out, because honestly, I watched a bunch of videos myself trying to figure this out. So, all right, thanks for watching, and on to the next video. Bye.